think it goes this way. But that means there's a couple of sets of tails. It's a lot. I mean, I have to buy a little bit bigger.
Now I'm shooting out
these days, I'll have to get in the bigger boy section. And we've got section small in that section. Ah! Well, we're waiting on Miles to arrive, and this is how we're passing the time. Shooting birds with the water guns, but not really. Here's Ava, ready, and Todd.
Ready? Get ready to shoot your gun, Ava.
Mom.
Watch for birds.
Look at that together.
Take your ring, go get closer, then we can hear it.
Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it.
Ava, get down and get ready. Hurry.
There you go. Shoot it. There you go. See, it works.
Okay, get down, Ava.
Get ready.
Do some. Here comes a bird.
Here it comes. Oh no, I stopped. Get ready. Now get ready, Ava. Now get ready. Ready?
Ava's out of bullets.
Ready? Where are the birds? They might have already gone to bed.
Bed? It's day.
Man, they sleep early. Ready? Ready.
Jason and Poppy had to go home today, so they're not with us shooting the birds.
That dog. You want mine?
Switch out.
There you go. Whoop! There's birds in the tree. Let's get those birds in the tree. Come on. Oh, here they come. Right here, Ava. Shoot!
Go, Ava, go.
Shoot, Ava!
Shoot them.
You get them?
Go boom, boom.
You get them? Boom, boom, boom.
All right. Yeah, it slowed down.
Yeah.
We'll see you later.